What up, girls, gals, and non-binary pals? I am here and I'm queer, and I probably won't stay that long because I leave frequently and I upload sparingly. You know the drill. I am rarely ever here. Who knows how long I'll stay? Who knows how long I'll be away? Anyway, so it's been 2 years, give or take, and shit has changed. And when I say shit has changed, bitch, I really mean shit has changed. This is not me trying to make it dramatic or anything. Like 2 years ago, God, life was so peaceful. Oh my God. But for the minority that subscribe to this channel who don't know who I am or who don't follow my social media, I have graduated undergrad and am now attending grad school. Yay! Help me, hire me. I have a lot of student debt. I shaved my head because I'm impulsive. You can't tell in this video, but my hair is only about 2 or 3 inches. Yeah, I definitely pulled a snitchery on these hoes. And I am single. I know I made a big deal out of my relationship. And YOLO, that was a mistake. Should not have done that. Don't recommend ever doing that. You see these couple channels? Yeah, that's what this almost turned into. And girl, I am so glad. I am so glad that did not happen. Oh my God, I don't know what I would have done. But yeah, I am here and I'm ready to fuck shit up again if I have time here. But yeah, I also moved from city to city. I literally didn't even change the dynamic. I moved from a city to a city. Yeah, okay, I guess that part of me didn't really change. Because I only moved about 4 hours away. That's another give or take situation because I'm no math major. But yeah, I live in New York City now. I guess that's good. I guess. I guess. New York's expensive. And people tell you that all the time. But I feel like you don't actually know how expensive it is until, oh my God, I look like a fucking potato. Anyway, you don't know how expensive it is until you're actually here. Bitch, why did I see a loaf of bread priced at 10 US dollars? What the fuck, yo? Granted, that wasn't from a grocery store, like a big chain grocery store. That was definitely a privately owned grocery store. But that's not the point here. I get it. Your minimum wage is $15, but I also got student debt, so who buying that $10 loaf of bread? Not me. But on to more updates. So 2 years ago, I was identifying as a pansexual female. Kind of. I have since then kind of come out as non-binary. And I say kind of because I tell people this sparingly. I rarely tell people this. I don't mind telling you guys. But yeah, I would fit the term non-binary femme. If I were born a cis male, I can't imagine not being feminine. Because it's fun. It's fun as fuck. But do I feel like a female all the time? No. Do I 100% ever feel like a male? No. And it just led me to start identifying as non-binary. Now, with that being said, I have a very feminine name. And I have tried to get people to pronounce it the correct way, which would be Kira. But being as that we're in America, it gets said as Sierra because the US loves mispronouncing things. Yes, bitch, that close up. But yeah, since I started identifying as non-binary and preferring they them pronouns, which get thrown out of the window when people meet me, which I'm not offended by, only because I'm not surprised. I fully understand. I am very female appearing. I know this. I'm not offended. It's personally for me, it's fine. You misgender me, you use the wrong pronouns. I cringe, but I do understand. You're not trying to offend me. But I'm currently having a hard time with my name. I feel as though the correct pronunciation of my name, Kira, is much more unisex than Sierra. But unfortunately, I have a brand that literally is called CCG, like this motherfucking channel. And in no way would you get CC from the name Kira. And maybe I'm overthinking it because for 2 brain cells that I have left, I really overthink a lot. And I'm probably ranting and rambling about something that's not that deep. I am so sorry. Back to what I was saying. I am very queer in every sense of the word. And that's just how it will be. You know, making myself look more masculine or appear more masculine, that's just not the vibe. You know, I have fun putting on makeup. I have fun doing all this shit in my hair. Granted, I felt more comfortable when I had no hair, but you know, society standards still kind of get to me. But oh my god, I'm trying to glaze a potato. My face is literally an oval with not. You ain't got no lashes either, bitch. What are you doing? What lashes are you trying? What? Okay. I am done clocking myself because, you know, after you watch Pose and you watch Paris is Burning and a bunch of other queer television and films, oh, you get really good at clocking yourself, and that's what I've been doing. Side note, watch Pose. It's a great fucking show. Oh my god. Can I just say, I love Angelica Ross. I love India Moore. I motherfucking love Janet Mock. She is bae. She is queen. I love her so much. And this guy was saying, Sierra, well, actually, he does call me Kira. Anyway, Kira, you might have an unhealthy obsession with Janet. I'm like, you don't motherfucking know. She is bae, okay? Look at her. Look at her beauty. Look at the confidence she exudes. I hope to be like her. By no means do I want to, like, fuck her or anything. Like, I don't like her on that kind of level. But if I could just be like her, just an ounce. Her or Ava DuVernay, but queer sister from another mister, Janet Mock. I want to be like her because she really did that. She did that shit. Oh my god. If you watch Pose, let me know, and you will 100% know what I mean. That could not have been an easy show to put together. And then film it in New York too. Granted, a lot of shit gets filmed in New York, but it's just wild. It just amazes me, the things you can do. And she really did that. She served us all on a silver platter. Like, damn. My portfolio has never been clocked so damn hard. indirectly. I feel so damn inadequate now, but it's okay. That's going to be my vision board for 2020. Work with Janet Mock. I have a documentary that I really want to do. This is unrelated to Janet, but I have a documentary that I really want to produce. And you guys will find out about that, maybe, if you want to, maybe, in the future. But it's a documentary about sugar babies in the Upper East Side. If you want to know more, let me know. Because I am super excited. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I look less like a potato. A little bit less. Nope, still like a potato. I look like a potato with hair and some lip gloss. Hunty. Hunty. Well, whatever. I guess that's all for today, and glad to be back. Bye.